YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Pratin. I post about travel vlogs which include activities and adventures. So guys, as you have read by the title, I am here at Restaurant here in Rajkot, and so we are going to be having street food because I'll show you here. I'll just turn around because this whole street right behind me is full of street food vendors who are selling amazing street food like momos, noodles, Chinese beer, smoothies, desserts, milkshakes, a lot of stuff. And we were in Rajkot because we had to do some stuff which my aunt and my uncle came as well with my mum. And so then both us sat here, my uncle's shooting this video, and so I cannot wait to eat a lot of street food because obviously we did have street food there, but obviously when in Rajkot we always have to have it. So there's also this specialty here called the jamun shop, which last time we tried it was but it is quite a specialty, so if you do come here, make sure you try that. Now we have got here from Frankie and Chinese right behind me. We have got it from there, and we have got, I think, momos. So I've got this cheese veg momo, my aunt's got a chili mogo something, and then also my mum's ordered Chinese beer. So I'll show you guys when that orders, and then I'll show you how that tastes and all. Okay, so here we've got the Chinese beer that my mum ordered, and one by one everything is coming from there. As you can see, it's literally being made from that van right there. And so there are many of these here which we will go after. But for taste wise, it's really good. So this is the chili fried momos that my aunt got, and it looks quite nice. I mean, the momos are here itself. They were making it, that's why it took quite long. And it'll garam pan hai and tikhu pan hai, but oh well. And have a khabar kya?
Aku moga chawal. Jaja garam hai.
Okay, so that is the Mysore sandwich, and a बहुत tasty pan lage. Aku cheese no really nice and proper South Indian naji thari pan hai. And my favorite jime order kiye to cheese momos here, and then finally thodik baar lagi however I steamed it, all I fried it and so no, not again, both again. Both tasty and nice and proper. So proper uttapam layer here, which you can see cheese na niche etli badi cheese hai kya khud thakego. However, a uttapam layer here, and then under full filling there, which is really nice. So finally, maru magavel ho try kara my cheese veg dumplings, momos. They look exactly like dumplings, however momos hai. That was really yummy. I mean, a dumplings jeva lagaya kyunki in a filling pan in a similar vegetable pan ama cheese and really different here, and shape my dumplings naji hai. So we moved a lot further into the middle, and we've got this iced coffee that my masi got, and I'm gonna try it. It is really nice, and here obviously just a little snack until I think we get waffles and desserts. Okay, so main course to khali tu, so obviously dessert pan khawano ho jaye, and the dessert pan I happen here the waffle station, and I think devil's chocolate waffle to aku fully chocolate and mixed white chocolate, milk chocolate, badui, and it looks really nice. Chocolate itself go nicer, and the dessert. Cheers. Moja mein pani ho jaye. Itlu chocolatey hai and really nice hai. Okay, so because हमने last round itlu खाई, we got another one. This one is the Kit Kat waffle, and हमने ice cream mari pachu मंगाई because हमने itlu खाई. And I definitely recommend तुम्हें आया pan आवो. I mean हमने waffle itla भावे, हमने nai pan fudge puppy, chocolate everywhere जाए, and really nice pan hai. Affordable price में fun and And the main course खाते तो obviously dessert तो खावो चले. Okay, so from Rajkot, e street food kind of અમે પાછા આવતા હતા કેમ કે પછી અમે બધા kind of થાકી ગયા and અમારા પેટ એટલું ભરાઈ ગયું ઓલા મોમોસ થી ચાઇનીઝ ભેળ and then એના ઉપર waffle બે really પેટ ભરાઈ ગયું and so એટલું બધું ખાઈને પછી અમે ડ્રાઈવ કર્યું આવ્યા and તમે મારા વિડીયો ન જોઈ તો ઓલું હે પધારો રેસ્ટોરન્ટ જ્યાં મેં સેપરેટ વિડીયો કરેલ है absolutely nice है કેવ જેવું રેસ્ટોરન્ટ है and આ है જેતપુર પોરબંદર નો રસ્તામાં આ આવે રસ્તામાં હિમાલય soda and softy and તમને no ખબર softy well for people who don't know what a softy is basically just a normal ice cream that's on a cone that's what you call a softy here and so मैं always do softy love her but this time मैं सोडा ली थी ये पण जम्पर वाली कोई दी નથી પીધી quite મીઠી હતી પિંક કલરની હતી એ પી લીધી હવે મારું પૂરું હે એટલું મારું પેટ ભર્યું કે હવે તમારે એટલી રૂપાળી પણ નીંદર આવી જશે ઘરે જઈને તો હવે અમારી ગાડી આ રહી આયા પાછળ and હવે સીધું જવાનું હે all the way I don't even think અમે કુતિયાને પણ જવાના સીધું માસીના ઘરે પોરબંદર કેમ કે કાલે અમારો છેલ્લો દિવસ હે કેમ કે પરમ દિવસે અમારે જવાનું હે probably હાંજના ફ્લાઇટમાં કેમ કે અમારે Sunday at 10:40 મુંબઈથી ફ્લાઇટ પણ પાછી હે so yeah I guess this means I'll see you guys in my next video bye